First, I want to get the constitution amended, like what I said. We started in 2013 for amendment of constitution. Till date, it has not been done. Maybe interest of certain leaders who didn't want to change the constitution. But with the constitution changing, you will see a lot of changes also coming on. Like MOT recognition is a must for active members as per the present constitution, which I don't agree. I want to remove all the lacunas in it and make it easy for the member who's an active member to continue his active this thing. My personal take is Ministry of Tourism recognition is voluntary. It is not mandatory. The government doesn't mandate you that you have to have Ministry of Tourism to do business. So there are a lot of members who don't have MOT and still doing business. So my take is on that, it's voluntary. Two is members. You know me, Rajesh, I am always for the members, right from the beginning, and especially the smaller and the medium ones. So I would like to continue to help the members, be of some assistance to them. This is the period of crisis after pandemic. Membership fees is not a big amount. It's 7,000 for active or 6 for allied. But still, it's a lot of money for certain members. So I want to waive it off for the year 2021, which was the year the members were most affected, no business during that period. And we will monitor the position for a couple of more months, maybe till August, September, and see if inbound business is coming, fair enough. If it doesn't come, I would still go ahead and waive off the fees for 21-22 also. I would prefer women representation in the IATO EC. I will reserve one seat for them so that we get more and more women. I want more transparency in IATO working. Let the members see. Members have elected you as their representative. Let them see what you are doing here. I want to make the EC meeting live by Zoom or whatever it is. And like I rightly said, you have your Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha live telecast. So what is an EC meeting here? Let the members see. I have elected Rajesh as my representative. Let me see what Rajesh is doing in the EC meeting here. Whether he is standing for the member or whether he is not against the members. And like I said, once the constitution is changed, there will be a lot of changes automatically. Rajesh, I started with the IATO EC, if I remember rightly, somewhere in 94 or 95. So as of today, I am the senior most candidate standing from election from all the others, be it my team or the other team. So my experience in IATO is much, much more. I started as an EC member. I worked as joint secretary, I worked as secretary, I worked with treasurer, but majority of the time as the secretary of that. I know I can take the team along and always come onto a consensus agreement with them. So I'm confident of that. That is why I have come again for maybe a last term to work for the association. Let's come together and make the change. Join me, join my hands and elect my team. I want the whole team to come because like what someone asked, if it is a fractured mandate, the halat of IATO is just going to be the same like what it has been happening. So I want a majority.